Hello friends, I'm back again with another recipe. A confection of nuts cooked in boiling sugar until brown and crisp. So today's recipe is butterscotch praline. To prepare this recipe, we need very few ingredients that are easily available at almost everyone's pantry. So without wasting any time, let's begin the process. First, we will dry roast some almonds. The great thing about this recipe is you can use any nut of your choice. You can dry roast like the way I'm doing, or you can scatter the nuts on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for roughly 8 to 10 minutes until they get nice and toasty. After few minutes, add cashew nuts, roast them for 3 to 4 minutes. If you don't want to roast them, then you can skip this step, but toasted nuts are so aromatic and it makes a huge difference to your praline. Our nuts are nicely roasted. Now let's crush coarsely. Our nuts are crushed. To prepare praline, here we have sugar, salted butter and roasted crushed nuts. Now let's start the process. Take a heavy bottom pan, add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, spread as evenly as you can. Now turn on the heat around a medium to medium low until your sugar dissolves. Do not stir at this stage, gently swirl the pan. When you are making praline, sometimes it can be a little bit draining, and that is because the sugar was not fully dissolved before you simmered it. Now look at this color. Our sugar is dissolved. This is the perfect time to let it come to a simmer. So we just reached the perfect color that I want, and now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of butter. Mix it properly. Now I'm adding 3/4 cup of toasted nuts. Just give that all a good stir. Once it all mixed together, then pour it immediately onto a tray lined with parchment paper. You can use butter paper or aluminium foil, or you can simply pour onto a greased plate. Be very careful at this stage because caramel is extremely hot. That's our praline, but do not touch it right now. We are gonna have to set it aside. If you want some different shaped praline like star shape, square shape or heart shape to decorate your cake or dessert, then do it when praline is hot with the help of knife or cookie cutter. Like I want some triangle shaped praline to give a different look to my cake. After half an hour, our praline is completely cold and I have separated it from the parchment paper. And if you want, you can grind it in a mixer in 1 or 2 pulses, but don't over grind it. Or you can break it into little or big pieces, whatever you want. You can store it for 1 month in an airtight container in room temperature or into the freezer depending on your climate. But remember, if you pop it into the freezer, then whenever you want to use it, just take it out and use it immediately. Don't keep it too long in room temperature. If you want, you can enjoy this as it is or can serve with ice cream, decorate your cake, garnish your pudding or any dessert of your choice. So if you enjoy this quick, easy, simple yet very useful recipe, then just smash the like button and share with your near and dear ones. And before leaving this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Till then, bye bye, see you soon.